that anytime he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body lying cold in the gut. Don't go chasing waterfalls, please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think we're moving fast. Little Precious had a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can't handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in a mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. Don't go chasing waterfalls, please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think we're moving fast. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leave the trace of not one God-given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of grey? I pray all 10 fade away, so then praise him for the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies. I dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for shooting Cain into your own vein? What a shame you shoot a name for someone else's blame. You claim the insane, claim to stay in time, but fun and pray to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aberrations in the hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to you. Now don't go chasing waterfalls, please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know